Hi everyone! If you want to make money with Amazon KDP but you don't want to waste your time on saturated niches, this video for you. Today I will show you 5 simple niche that actually still working right now even if you just started. The first niche is Iris coloring books. This niche is actually a hidden opportunity. There are not a lot of competition, but people love anything retro like neo style, old school fashion, and vintage vibes. And here the good part: most of top book on this niche made by normal people, not a company. If you can create simple retro design, you are ready to start. The number two is natural parks coloring books. This niche is all about natural animals, motion, forests, and a beautiful landscape. People enjoy this book because they are relaxing. Some creators are already making $50 per day with simple design. You don't need to something complicated. Just clean Darwin like trees, lakes, or animals. Work very well. Now, this niche is different. It's grief and loss books for kids. These books help children understand and deal with loss in someone. It's very low competition niche, but also very meaningful. Some self-published books in this niche it's make around $40 to $50 per day. If you can create simple stories with emotional support, this can be both helpful and profitable. Number four is Spanish word search book. This one surprised a lot of people I know. There is good demand, but not many creators are doing it. And there is also similar niche in Studied, Spanish Bible word search book. Even less competition here. These books are simple to make, use word list and puzzle tools. Easy to create but still profitable. The last one, and this is a big opportunity. It's emotional regulation book for kids. This is book help kids manage emotion like angry, stress, and frustrated. You can create simple storybook or shorts guide. Some creator in this niche are making between 16 and $100 per day. Parents are always looking for ways to help their kids, so this niche has strong demand. In this video, I will show you how to turn your book into 45/7 traffic machine. Use AI Sales Rocket. Upload your book, PDF, docs, or any format. Click Generate Content. AI create a post, caption, and image. Contact your account on social media like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Threads. Now click Publish. Done. Your content now is posting automatically every day. You set it one time and your book getting promoted forever. It because manual posting is slow and exhausting. AI Sales Rocket automatically plus consistency. If you want this setup, check AI Sales Rocket, the link in the description. And see you the next one.